Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, PTV, back with another freaking video. You know how it is, lit when I'm in the freaking building. You already know the vibe. Yeah. Look at me nearly getting ran over for the vlog, for the tea, for the spill. Where do I even start? I'm walking back to the car to get something because I forgot something that I needed in there. Right now I'm in Alton Towers. I'm ready to have fun. I'm struggling to find my way in. Look at that. Finding my way into this theme park is irritating me. Yeah, so that's the tea. Furthermore, I'm stressed out. I still don't see this car. I still don't see this car. But let me just get into the intro. So today, guys, I am in Alton Towers. I have come for the day. I have come to have fun. I have come to get lit. All of that. Yeah. Nah, this is stressing me out. Big time. Where's my car? Oh my goodness. Guys, this ain't making no sense. I can't find my car. What the hell? I literally can't find my car. I've been looking for my car for a while. This is starting to stress me out a bit. Like, I really can't find the whip. I'm gonna have to like rewatch my snap and see. Guys, I've had my situation with finding the car. Found the car. And I'm back on. So, another problem that I have, guys, this is all challenges. Like, they're really challenging me. Oh, look over there, guys. Can you see? I'm not sure if you can see that train thing. But it's been so much challenges. Another challenge from the car park is getting into the park from the car park. Look at this place. Look how big this place is. It's stressing me out, guys. It's stressing me out. I asked for some directions. The lady said I can catch a little train thing from over here that will take me into the park. Or I can walk 15-20 minutes. I think I'm going to catch a little train because I ain't really got time for that. So, yeah. So, it'll be nice for us to see as well. You know, Tour de la Alton Tower. Guys, I'm so excited. This is the first ride. First way in. I'm so freaking excited. Oh my god. I'm gonna go for this cabin. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Why am I this excited? Right, so thumbnail. We're leaving. We're moving. I'm just stepping off the train. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is the one. Sydney. Oh wow. Guys, this is the first place I came out. I came out from that station over there. This is what we're seeing. I need to go through here, go through bag searches and stuff, apparently. We're here. Oh my goodness, I'm actually so freaking excited. Guys, check this ride out. What? I said, look, the thing spins. No. Yeah, this ride's definitely gonna be crazy. Oh my. So guys, so far, I've only been on that ride. It's the queue for me. This queue started over here, now I'm here. I just want to get Fandango! I don't know how I got up in the kids section, guys, but me, I'm on going on any ride, and every ride, like that's what ride's on. But this queue right here, I don't know about this queue right here. Guys, you know how long I was waiting for this ride? 2 long. Guys, I just got off that ride. Oh my goodness, that was so fun. I lost my AirPod. I'm gonna go try look for it. I can't believe this. Guys, I'm just about to get on this. I am so excited. It's the views for me. It's actually the views for me. Table cut bags. This is definitely bigger than Forest Park, I would think, because I know T Park you can walk around it.
Yeah, I think this is bigger, isn't it?
Yeah. I thought this was up.
Did you not even know where you were going before you put it in the sun?
I just put the postcode. I was like Alton Towers and then drove. I didn't. You know, the ones you didn't even have to get the postcode. It was just Alton Towers. Kind of lost right now.
Let's go back this way.
Yeah. Are we going back on the little on the? Guys, look at this. I could not. They can't come and kill me. What? Bro, look how fast that's going, and that's just going upside down, up, down, side, up, down, everywhere. Going all over the place. And then over here, we have this little upside down thing. We're about to go on that. You're about to see me on that over there. And then what do we have over here? A restaurant. Even price restaurant. But yeah, oh my days, live performance. That's what we like to see. Guys, we're making waves towards that ride. Oh, look at upside down. But yeah, we're making waves. We're making waves. Whatnot. Guys, I'm just deep and you have barely seen my face in this vlog. Like, in the background, but you barely see my face in this vlog. So here we are. Oh my goodness, we're going in the fast track. My goodness, what am I doing? I'm scared. Look how these people are coming in. Look how they're coming in. Eye is watering. I took a picture of mine. Oh my goodness. Guys, that ride had... Oh, wait, guys, can we go on the... the line is kind of long. It's like the next ride.